Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Volcano Fire Buffalo Wings. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to marinate the chicken first. These are 8 pieces of chicken wings. I've cut them into half like this, separating the drumlets from the rest of the wings. We'll add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The reason why we are using baking powder is because we want to dry up the skin, so later when we air fry them or when you want to put them in the oven to bake them, the skin will be crispy. We'll also add in some white pepper. You can use black pepper if you want to, no problem. Mix them up well, and then we'll put them in the fridge to let them marinate for at least 2 hours. I'll see you back in a while. We have marinated the wings for approximately 3 hours or so. I'm now going to lay them on this baking sheet, and then we are going to bake them in my oven. I have in the meantime preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Of course, if you do not want to use your oven, you can always use your air fryer, or alternatively you can actually deep fry them or fry them. But using the oven is a good alternative because I can roast them all together at the same time. Saves a lot of time. Now before you do this, remember to take the wings out and leave them at room temperature for approximately half an hour so that everything will be cooked nicely and through. Okay, we'll put this into the oven now. I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, but at the 10 minutes mark, I'm going to turn them over. So I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes have passed. I'm just going to take it out and flip it over. Now I'm going to put it in. Put it at a higher rack because now we want to brown the chicken. I'll turn the heat up to 210 degrees Celsius and for 10 minutes again. Then we'll have a look. If it's not brown by then, we'll do another 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. The wings are done. We'll just take them out and we'll prepare the sauce for the wings. We'll now prepare the sauce for the wings. Heat up a pan, add in just a little bit of oil. I've added a little bit of oil inside the pan because I'll be putting butter in, and if I don't add oil, the butter will burn easily. Add in 2 ounces of butter, approximately 55 grams. 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Put it in. Turn the heat to medium. We'll melt the butter first. Once the butter has melted, we'll add in half a cup of hot sauce. You can use any of your favorite hot sauce. I'm using this very spicy volcano sauce, which is really nice. We'll add in also 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Keep stirring them. We'll add in also 1 teaspoon of salt. Always remember that when you want to make buffalo wings or hot wings, do not use those sweet chili because it will be too sweet and it will not be like your buffalo wings. Make sure that you stir it up well. And when it's bubbling like this, we'll add in the wings. Put all the wings in. Mix them up well. Make sure all of them are being coated with this beautiful hot sauce. Now I like to do a little bit of tossing. This is really good. Excellent with beer and of course with any soft drinks. Okay, time to serve this. And now the wings are done. Let's have a taste. Normally I like to squeeze a little bit of calamari over it because I like to be a little bit tangy. We'll taste it right now. One of the drumlets. This is so good. Spicy, because this hot sauce is really spicy. The calamity is there to cool it down a little bit, but wow, excellent with beer. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our volcano fire buffalo wings. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Voila, but sure, it's so spicy, or rather, it is spicy, but it's so good.